Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe for more easy tutorials. So today we will discuss how can install New Relic on any website. It is not depend on any stack, like you can use JavaScript, React, WordPress, PHP, Java or other platforms. So there is no dependency on any stack. So currently I am using on my personal website at here. So first go to this newrelic.com, sign up, and then click at here login, sign up with, and at here it is providing some access like Gmail and GitHub, etc. So I am signing up with Gmail. So click it here. You can you can select name, etc., and account region. So I am selecting Europe. Continue. Now it is asking to verify, I think. So no, I think not required. Okay, and now we are logged in. Now I am at here, but we do not want like .NET, Go, etc. We are using simple way, and we are not using any like SSH, etc. Only just some JavaScript snippet. So I am going at go to browser option at here in the sidebar, and at here it will ask add your first browser app. So it is asking for like option, so you can select JS, etc., which you want. I am selecting jQuery. Place a JavaScript snippet in front-end code. Select this, and what do you want to call it? So I am putting Sandeep Zen website. Save and continue. Okay, and now save and continue at here. Now it is simple code, snippet code. So now you can use this snippet code at everywhere, like on the React, on the PHP side, Laravel, etc. So I am using on my side, so I am at here. So I am adding some code, JavaScript code. So for that I am using one plugin, and searching for WP header and footer. I can also add this code via like via PHP, but not adding directly. Now go to settings. Now at here you can put this code, copy to snippet. Okay, save changes. Now added, and now see your data. Now you can see all information about your website, like page views, error, web vital, and other thing which we want. And if we want to change anything, like, then you can check it here, all capabilities at here. So you can unpin or pin, like at here model performance is not there, so if we want to add, then we have to click at pin to side menu. So you can pin at here, and at here you can see model performance, and at here some setting, etc. So you can debug this thing, and at here you can now your website is tracking. So after that you can just ask to someone, like to access data, or so that some traffic generate, and you can see at here, like at here page views. Yeah, at here it is showing hire me and Sandeep something, and all thing. So and you can also analyze this new Relic at here, and at here they provide lots of option, so you can explore new Relic at your end. And if you want to add deeply, then you can also add another way, but I do not have I have shared hosting, so I just use by browser. You can add by curl, etc. So if you want to add by curl or other platform, then just comment below, so that I can also make separate video for that. That's it, guys, and that's how simple it is. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, because the next video might just save your hours of debugging. Thanks for watching.